Gardenia, Richardson, National AIDS Program Coordinator for St. Kitts and Nevis. I think this workshop is extremely useful, and it's almost cliche to say timely. Data continues to be an issue for us in the region, and it is important that national programs feed into the regional response. And so by having this forum where persons can come together and they can discuss the issues or the challenges and come up with some sort of recommendations and solutions that policymakers can take on board to improve data for decision making in the region, not just for their local programs, I think this is needed and very necessary, and thus this workshop is extremely useful and appropriate.